Hello everybody, this is how to van life for free now, turning to the dark side, how to scam it. This is a video I did about just over a year ago with Tracy and Terry. You've probably seen Tracy and Terry's van life adventures on YouTube. They're doing very well and they called me in to show them how to do it because they really couldn't get started. I myself tried a van life channel and I struggled, so that's how I learnt all the tricks, by watching other people and seeing how you get away with murder really. So I've got Tracy and Terry in the studio with me and I'm going to go through all the processes on how you make a successful van life channel. Part 1, you need to get a van. Just buy a cheap one, it's not like it's going to go far. I know plenty of van life channels where you never actually see the vehicle move an inch. So you can do that. It can be a non-runner MOT failure. And the first thing we're going to do is do the filming of you fitting it out. Now if you're going to do well, really you need a pretty girl. There are others that seem to get away, but that is going to help. Yeah, so we got Tracy over there and she's dressed as I suggested. Those really the shortest hot pants you can get. Okay, no, that's fine. Relax. Yeah, so the intro. You've got to get a few subscribers. You've got to get them interested straight away. So that's why we got Tracy all kitted out for the fitting out. First few videos, introduction first. You know, just get the girl to look cute, bounce up and down a bit, whatever. And then you start fitting the van out. Okay, Tracy, are you ready? We're going to go out to the van and do the first intro of the fitting the van out and introducing yourself. Yeah, that's the thinnest t-shirt you could find. Right. Okay. Yeah, that's great. Terry, could you get some ice cubes out? Just for the nipples. Just it's, first impressions count. Don't worry about it, Tracy. No, we use a blur. It won't. It's fine. It's fine. So you get your first video, the intro, introduce yourself. It's in patch. You've got it. You've got to get it there first time, else you're going nowhere. Then we're doing the fitting out video. You'll probably be able to just go on their channel and watch all these and see how we did. So you've got those 2 or 3 videos up as you're fitting it out. You get your first few subscribers. Then what? You're out of money. This is where you're really gonna need to pull the stops out. Get people to like you. Get people to want to see you. At the end of the day, people who watch van life channels, they're people that would love to do it, but they're stuck into their mundane lives, 9 to 5 jobs, don't like the life, and they live through you vicariously as if they're actually off in all these nice places. So we're going to play on that and not make them feel too bad about their lives. And they'll come and watch you and they feel like they're sort of part of it, you know, or this could happen to them. So that's your first 2 parts. So we're off to the van now. It's parked outside. All the tyres are flat. It's not going anywhere. So Tracy, you ready? Terry, out to the van. Right, that sort of went all right. Bit of an accident. Yeah. Tracy, I don't know how to put this. Are you sure you need that much makeup on? Yeah. Yes, it did cushion the blow when you walked into that door. Yeah, okay. No, that's fine. We can go with that. We can go with that. Okay, so we did the first video, but they're running short on funds. So the next thing we're going to do is, they've got a few subscribers already, I think it was that bouncing up and down thing that Tracy was doing, the sort of that got us quite a few subs actually. It's something I won't forget in a hurry. So now we got a few, and people want to see, I don't know whether they want to see Tracy again or the bouncing up and down. And don't get the wrong idea, it's not that a bloke can't do this. You know, I won't mention any channel names. There's Bread and Cheese, who I watch from time to again, and of course Liam, he's great. He's an inspiration to us all. If he can make it, we can all do it, can't we, basically? So, yeah, that's... And there's Goodwill Hunting. Yeah, he's, you know, have a gap year in Mongolia, film all that, get some subscribers. Can't afford to do that anymore, so just buy a van and then, I don't know, go around sleeping in your car, and it's worked, so there's hope for all of us. And if Tracy and Terry can do it, we can all do it. So, how to get some money? Yeah, you get some income off YouTube. Yes, Tracy, I know if you took your top off it'd get more views, but you'll get banned from YouTube. Yes, it did work in the lap dancing club, but this is, trust me, this is something different. Just go with me on this one. Right, where was I? Making money, yes. Until you get big, you're not going to get enough income to sort of keep on going just on your YouTube. So once you've got the audience, but you've got to play the pity card. I've seen this done in various ways. My engine's blown up. I've had to go back to my parents. You know, you could show them what your parents give you. You know, look, this is what they're giving me for dinner for free. Like, you know, bread and cheese and a yogurt and an apple. You know, somewhere to park the van and free electricity. You know, but apart from that, like, you know, I'm really doing really badly. I'm going to give up van life. Then there's and I think I've seen one recently, and I went to, you know, we're being evicted, because you get a lot of these. It's always a couple, they have this bright idea, they see somebody else making a fortune. Oh, we're leaving our house, we're going to live in a van. I emailed one of them and says, do you want to collab? And it was a bearded prig and his girlfriend, like, you know, and they, you know, they did the intro all right, you know, and got a few views, and that, never see the channel now, because they didn't know how to move on from there. So, your sob story, yeah, tell them anything, you know, come on and say, we're being evicted, you know, or Terry's left me, I'm all on my own. I'm not asking for money. But if you want to give me some money, that's all right, you know. Even if it's only £1 or $1, you know. Every little helps. But I'm not asking for it, honestly, you know. But I'm really, hang on. Special effects, yeah. I'm really gutted. My van life dreams are over before they've even started. I'm being evicted, so I'm going to have to live in this van, and there's nothing in it. What am I going to do? So you do a few like that and see if you can get somebody to give you a few quid for that. If that fails, you know, I don't know what you do if that doesn't fail. No, that never fails. You'll be surprised how willing people are to give you a few pound just to keep you living the dream that they can't have. But as your subscriber base grows, you put a Patreon account up and a donation, and see if no, you're not selling yourself, Tracy. It's not like that. It's just, you know, older men don't mind giving a bit of their money to sort of be liked by you. Just relax, I know what I'm doing. So, play the sympathy. If that's not working, do some more videos, you know, looking cute or looking like it's a great adventure, and just it will take a year, but it's there's so many channels do that. Yeah, there are genuine ones that do the travelling, and they've got the great drones and they've got the great editing, and there are some looks amazing with the filming and the B-rolls and that. I don't watch it myself. Bores the crap out of me, to be honest, but people seem to like it and they're doing well for themselves. Or you can go for a more sort of down to earth, like Liam. You know, it works for him. Works for him. Yeah. Sorry, Tracy. What are you doing? Yeah, you are getting better, but yeah, you can't do that tweaking thing with your butt. Not on YouTube. It will. Yeah, it will look. Bloody hell, she's hard work sometimes. So, well, this is, you know, that's all the stages of it. Yeah, build an audience, have a disaster, ask for help, but only if you can afford it. Do the sad bit. Yeah, just rinse and repeat that basically. It's there's so many channels getting away with this. It's unreal. So just start now. The important part is just get at it, and you don't have to have the prettiest girlfriend. Some channels really, you know, and I'm not saying you got to have a woman, but I think the proof is like Terry and Tracy, yeah, done well. Me, you know, extremely talented, nothing at all. So follow this plan. If you're a lad, you know, because women watch this stuff as well. So, you know, try and be a cutie. I know, pretty boy. I know I used to be pretty, but life's been a bit tough to be fair. Yeah. So yeah, looks aren't everything. You can either be very creative video maker and editor, or you can be a bit of a character or good looking. There's room for everybody, but you've got to get out there and you've got to make the stuff. So, if you want to go and watch Terry, what are you doing now, Tracy? Yes, very cute. Yep. Actually, I might use that one in the next video. Yes, yeah. Yes, I know you don't want to come across as a bit. Yes, I know you've been to university. What was it? 2-3 media studies. Yes, that should set her up for life, really, that, won't it? And how much did that cost you? Education's always an investment, isn't it? Let's face it. With a good education, you can't go far wrong. Apart from lap dancing to get through uni and sort of pay it off. So that's it, guys. Living proof. You got a chance to look at Terry and Tracy's channel, and that was all through taking my advice on how to set up. There were some ups and downs. Getting the donations was tricky. I think Tracy doing a bit of sort of I've been evicted and crying did sort of help, and you know, the van life's over before it started. It's all good stuff and you can reuse that unlimited times, really. The big break is when she had to sell the puppy because she couldn't afford any dog food. That really did give a big boost to the sort of donations. So that's it, everybody. That's how to van life for free now. Turn into the dark side, because you're going to have to sell your soul if you're going to do well. Thank you for watching. If you got any comments, I don't read them. I don't really care. But you can do them anyway. You can like and subscribe. You're going to have to find an easy word to say. You can like and subscribe and hit the notification bell. Because as sure as eggs, I'm going to be doing some more crap like this. Because I've got nothing better to do. So, as always, I haven't played the harmonica, have I? I'll play you out. Peace, man.